We just installed the brand new 10.25-inch replacement screen from Hamilton Motor Company in this 2013 Lexus ES. We call this product the 2012 to 2014 Lexus ES Hamilton Conversion Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We'll have a separate video that'll walk you through Android Auto. This kit is fully touchscreen, and of course it works with your factory mouse as well. Whether you use Apple Music, SoundCloud, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all your favorite songs and podcasts. Of course, whether you use Apple Maps, Waze, or Google Maps, you can have Siri easily read you your directions.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater. Head north on Corporation Parkway.
The big screen navigation looks awesome on this vehicle, and it's game-changing compared to the original screen. Siri can also easily receive and send text messages and phone calls. When they come in, they'll pop up and you can simply respond to them. You can also use your voice speech button on the steering wheel to trigger Siri and make phone calls or text messages. Any app with an Apple CarPlay component will automatically show up here. But we'll now show you about the second level of functionality that this kit has. A quick press of the menu button will take you to the home screen here. Our custom operating system is Android based, which means any app that's available on the Google Play Store can be loaded onto this device. So any app you can think of that you'd like to use, you're able to use in this vehicle. And it makes this even more powerful than some of the newest cars out there. The other thing about the Hamilton system, a long hold for 3 seconds of the factory menu button takes you back to the factory interface, and you don't lose any factory functionality. This feels just like your original vehicle. Coming back to the new side, your backup camera will work just like it did from the factory. And when you return to park, it'll come right back to CarPlay. This system maintains your factory XM radio, FM radio, AM radio, and of course you can play music from any app you'd like here. We're going to have secondary videos that'll show you how to set up and pair CarPlay as well as Android Auto. If you have any questions about this kit, our tech support team is here to help at 919-858-2890. You can also email us. This kit has over 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, which means it is plenty powerful to handle any need or any app that you might choose to load on it. Additionally, we pack it with an industry-leading Qualcomm processor. With Hamilton Motor Company, you can be certain that all the components in your system are genuine and that they are only top-tier components. This is how we are able to back our kits with a 3-year warranty.